This is the Halo Canbus Immobiliser on a Ford Tourneo. If you've got your key or they program a key, get in and try and start it up. It's not going to start, it's waiting for your PIN code. So if you look, dash is just staying on, not starting. So for the customer, ignition on, go through a code of their choosing, get the flash, now foot on the brake and start. For this system to rearm, it happens as soon as you open the door, so you can sit in the vehicle as long as you want, but when you get out, you're going to see the indicators flash and the system's active again. So next time someone gets in, it's not going to start. It's looking for the code. If you want to put it into service mode to take it back to Ford, all you've got to do is ignition on, put your code in, and on the last digit, press and hold for 10 seconds till you get 5 flashes. There we go, now it's in service mode, so we'll turn the car off. Next time you come back to it, it's just going to start up as normal. System's turned off completely, so Ford can work on the vehicle. Obviously when you open the door, there's going to be no flashes, it's completely off, it's just going to be a normal vehicle. When you get it back from them, you're going to want it secure again. All you got to do, ignition on, pop your code in again, and hold it. When it comes out, you get 1 flash. Now we can let go, and the system's active. So as soon as we open the door, we're going to get our flash to confirm it's on. And when you get back in, it's not going to start without the code. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Canbus Immobiliser.